Hey there, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh my god, let me correct some stuff here. I left yesterday's stats on the page. All right, so new day. It's Tuesday. It's great. It's awesome. Let's see what we're going to do today. I think we're gonna have an exciting session. Maybe much better than yesterday. Hopefully. These are the news for today. Okay, we have GBP news in, oh yeah, almost like 1 minute away from GBP news. Oh, okay, that's great. We will see some movement. We have CPI at the New York session. Great, it's perfect. It's perfect. So guys, we are right into the news in 1 minute. I don't really care about that, by the way. But this is pound right now. This is the pound dollar. This is the US dollar. We're gonna go through everything. What else? What else? Of course, gold, as always. Yeah, and we're gonna check on the dollar index as well. This is the dollar index. But we're gonna go through everything. First, let's just see what pound does for this news. I don't even know what the hell is this news about. Changing the number of people claiming unemployment related benefits. Oh, that's interesting. We'll see what happens. Let's go back to the charts. Okay, news is out. Armin, good morning there. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Speakers.
So, news is kicking in. Thanks, Armin, for being here. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, look at that. All right, news is kicking in. Let's see the numbers. Do we have a number? I think we have some number. We have to have something. Okay, wow, look at that. We have the round number of 1000 right above there on the euro, which is a good target. That's a round number. I thought we took it out already. We didn't. Okay, let's see the number. Changing the number of people claiming unemployment. Ah, that's good news, right? That's very good news. So people are not claiming for unemployment claim. Okay. Hey, Shamir. Sorry, Shamir. Sorry, I mispronounced your name, but guys, I am so happy that you guys are here. Please don't forget to drop the usual likes to keep the vibe going on, you know. All right. So news just came out on pound. Good news so far. So pound is edging higher. Very good. This is the euro dollar here. Took out yesterday's high, which is great. We still have a high of 108, round number up there. I don't know if we're gonna take that out or not on the euro. I'm gonna go over from India. Yeah, Naga is here. Peter is here. What the heck, guys? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Guys, Peter, Shamir, Naga, Armin, guys, I love you all. You guys are great. Thanks for being here. Again, a huge applause for everyone. Now let's go over some facts and what's happening. By the way, so far I tried to scalp yesterday. Didn't really turn out well, but I kept my profits on the account. So I lose some, I made some. Almost gave back yesterday's profit on the account, but we're still in game. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. I was only risking a little bit there. Let's start with the dollar index. Okay, let's go to TradingView. Dollar index, as you can, because that's gonna give us some insight of what we're looking at. Okay, guys, I'm so happy that you are here. Okay, dollar index looks like is dropping lower. Might want to take out yesterday's low. Nothing else to tell about this, especially on not the daily. The daily looks absolutely, I mean, it's nothing. Let me delete these levels. What is this? Let me delete this. Come on. Okay, so nothing to see on the dollar right now. It's just, you know, dropping lower. So we have a significant sell side at 103.24, and if I go down to the 1 hour, really nothing to see. So not too much insights from the dollar, but let's go to the pound. Pound actually repriced this. I think this is a 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, pound repriced this imbalance here, here, and we're left with almost no imbalance up there. So I'm not sure what to do here. If anyone is new, drop a like, please. Thank you. So in terms of taking anything, so far the 1 hour imbalance has been repriced. If we look at the daily levels, as I was talking about, this have been taken, as you can see. The 1 hour, 4 hour daily imbalance, I was talking about this all last week. It has been repriced. I'm actually very proud of myself, even though it was not my best week. I was talking about this level whole week last time, so that has been repriced. What's gonna happen next? On the daily, it's hard to tell. We are inside yesterday's range. So if I go down to 4 hour, there is a 4 hour fair value gap on the pound. We're gonna get to gold, don't worry guys. Which has been technically repriced. Can I 4 hour FVG or imbalance, whatever you want to call it, it has been repriced. So it might be good for us to look for short entries, maybe, but that's a big maybe, and that's a big if. Let's just wait for a little while of what it wants to do. For now, so far nothing. Look at this straight trend line up here. I'm not trading trend lines, I'm just saying that there has to be some kind of liquidity engineer down there, right? Anyway, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on for short entries. We are in premium price range intraday. So that's it for pound right now. Let's go over to gold. I should write this down as well, right? Gold. My break even is about to trigger. Too bad. I was a 3-1 already. Oh, dude, I hope you took some partials, man. I really hope so. I really hope so. All right, let's go over. Oh my god. My gold daily chart. I might gonna need a different gold chart here. Do I have a different gold chart loaded? No, I don't. I just don't want to delete my annotations. Anyway, let's go, and I'm gonna show you guys here. I think we have gold there. So this is the daily gold chart. Let me delete trade history there. All right, look at gold. This is the daily gold chart. It's just a mess. We are definitely consolidating. I would advise you to check these levels down there. Actually, down there. Come on. As you can see, those two daily candles, let me zoom it out a little bit. So those two daily candles have almost the same bottom here. Like so flat, no real wick there, nothing, no wicks, which is magnetic. So let's just keep that in mind, all right? So that's the daily. On the 4 hour gold, it's a mess, guys. It's a total mess. Look at these levels. This candle, this candle, this candle. There's something here in this level around 1950, 1955-ish, 54. This is the 1 hour, so I think we can go to trading view for the 1 hour. So this is gold. As you can see, I marked these levels already in the past few days. And I was telling you about this area yesterday in London session right here. That something is here. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but there's something here. It went back up. We still have lots of liquidity engineered above 1985 or 83 levels, so I'm still looking to go there. Although I don't see anything crazy in the 1 hour. We are consolidating, very hard to tell. If I go down to the 15 minute, well, yeah. Let's just check again. Well, if we want to be real aggressive, we are in a bearish order block on the hourly, but I don't really like that. On the 15 minute, right now we bursted through. Oh, Miss Healthy FX, there goes your applause as well. Don't forget to drop a like. Bonjour. I may have asked it already, but are you from France? Okay, so we burst through this 15-minute FVG. Now we're back into it. We can use it kind of a inversion gap. I'm not even sure about this right now. As you can see, we are right inside there. Not taking anything, guys. I'm just saying we are below the midnight opening level, New York midnight level. So we have sell side. Liquidity down there. No setup right now. No major liquidity purge that can be useful for us. On gold, we are in a consolidation. No entry for me right now. No entry for me right now. So we're just waiting. It's the waiting game. No fair value gap on the lower time frame. Nothing to do, guys. It taken out Asia high and New York. Yeah, it was basically Asia high. But no entry. I'm sorry, guys. Nothing on gold I can see right now. And this is the euro. Euro wants to go for the round number of 108. That's 108 right there. Maybe I could have jumped into a buy, but you know, it's news candle, so there's really nothing to do with that. We are actually 5 pips away from 108, which is a round number. And you know, guys, what I say about round numbers. Round numbers are always like magnets. By the way, this is the daily euro. This is the daily. As you can see, quite a bit of liquidity has to be up there. We have order blocks. We have, you know, we have some fair value gaps, but are we gonna go up there? I'm not sure, but the 108 level seems to be a strong magnet. Since we're trading intraday, look at that. That level right there, the high is 108.013. So that's why I think euro might want to clear that level out. I'm not jumping into anything. So that's the first significant buy side level, and the other one should be above there at 1031.32. Depends on your broker's price. So that's what we're looking at. So far nothing. Okay, what news we have? What else we have in the London session? Nothing. We have Italian unemployment rate could be interesting. Economic sentiment, that's a medium. Okay, nothing major. So, we are just going to wait, as always. This is pound again. Let's see if it's going to pound us. Pound actually, let's go to the daily here. Can I go to the daily? I want to show you guys something. Oh yeah, it's very tight. But what I want to show you is that this is the daily pound chart. This candle right here. With that wick, it took out buy side, which is great, right? So, with that in mind, if it took out buy side, and this is a market maker sell model we're in, because we are in an intermediate high right now. If we look at this daily imbalance or fair value gap, which it has already repriced yesterday. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Look at that. The 4-hour repriced the daily imbalance, so we might be in a market maker sell model on the high time frames, and now the 4-hour did the same. We repriced everything on the 4-hour. So what I'm looking, guys, is definitely a short entry. Everything for me seems like we are in a premium premium price array. Of course, I want to see this drop down all the way to 58. There's a round number of 25. So the pound looks interesting to me. I would love to see the pound go there somewhere. Sell side is ultimately down there. So it would be great to see that. And that's why I am definitely going to keep a close eye on the pound dollar. I'm going to keep a close eye on pound dollar shorts at this level. The 4-hour FVG has been repriced. The 1-hour has been repriced. Close eye for me on pound shorts. Right now it seems like a bull flag, so it can go up. But I'm definitely going to keep an eye for shorts on pound. As for the gold again, I don't see anything that's interesting. We are in no man's land. Nothing to reprice here, not even on the 5 or the 15 minute. Sell side liquidity is here. Buy side liquidity is above the midnight open. Nothing to do on gold. And euro, it's only 5 pips away from 0.8. If someone wants to do a scalp, it's risky, super risky. I'm not going to do it. You're welcome to enter. I'm not going to enter any scalp positions. This is not particularly my cup of tea, but I do feel like euro dollar can edge higher. But let's look at the dollar index. What just happened? This is the dollar index, right? Of course. Okay, so the dollar index doesn't really show any difference. This is the hourly dollar index. This is the 1-hour dollar index chart. 103.24. I hope euro goes down. Well, you know, it can. Hopefully it will. I don't know. I mean, it can go down, but I feel like before euro goes down, let's go to euro. As you can see, we are so close to the 108 level. And I'm gonna delete this. This was just buy side. So we are so close that what euro can do here, this is the 5-minute chart on euro. It can. So guys, if you want to go jump into a quick scalp, this is a fair value gap here. If you wanna go long, you have like an 8 pip range. Tempted, but I'm not gonna do that. You have 8 pips with a 1-to-1 stop loss. It can go, you know, it can hit 108 real easy. Now it's the perfect entry for a long. I called it. I'm not taking it. But you know, I think it's gonna hit 108 before it's gonna go down, Armin. I think we have a possibility there. I'm not jumping into anything. Euro did this with me lots of times. I wanted to take out a historical high or low, and just a few pips before, like 2 or 3 pips before, it just turned around and went against me. I'm just saying my gut feeling tells me that it has buy side, by the way, at 108.01. So 108.01, there is buy side. Just saying. Damn it, I might be jumping in. No, I'm gonna wait for something else here. Let's go to the pound. This is the pound. This is the euro again. The euro was edging higher, and on the 1 hour we have this pin bar up here, so it could be a wick fill as well. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm not doing anything with the euro. Now is a perfect entry to go long, by the way, on the euro with a 1-to-1 if you want to scalp. Should I push the button? Oh, I'm too late. I missed the move. I missed the move. That's too late for me. I'm out of range. 6 versus 11. I missed the move, guys. Messed and missed the move. Not entering. But I think it's gonna go there. It's gonna take out 108. So that's a scalp entry. I missed up the move while it was down here. So it's out of range for me. Euro NZD is going down strong. Well, it most likely I think is the NZD which is driving it down, maybe. So yeah, the euro dollar took off. I was considering to enter with a small position, but I missed my entry. I was too slow with the trade management there, with the position sizer, and it left 2 pips. I mean, and in a scalp trade, 2 pips is 2 pips. It does count. So I need that range. I need that room for the trade. So I'm not entering. Maybe if it wants to go back again down here, I might consider it, but I don't think so. Okay, the pound might be going up as well, but as I said, I'm looking for short entries. Let's look for some order blocks. Not really too much here, right? Shamir, can you please look at S&P 500 and German 40? Well, we can look at it, although I can tell you there's going to be not too much there. S&P 500. This is not the E-mini, just telling you guys. I don't have access to E-mini. I'm not a subscriber to TradingView because I'm using MetaTrader, and I'm only using TradingView to look at higher time frame charts. So why would I be a subscriber? I'm not trading E-mini futures, so this is S&P 500, not E-mini. Just saying, you know. So S&P, we have, this is the weekly S&P. We went above this buy side liquidity on the weekly chart. We are inside a weekly imbalance right here. There is still some gap to be, some imbalance to be refilled. This is the daily. Technically, guys, I think we are also at no man's land. What I would say, this imbalance on the daily would be repriced all the way up to 4,381 level on the S&P. Again, not the E-mini, all right? Not the E-mini S&P, not what ICT trades. This is the S&P, which is technically the same, but in a different liquidity pool. Okay, this is not a typical future contract. Okay, so I do think this is gonna go higher. No setups here. I would not enter into anything here. Nothing. We are in premium. I have to be very careful here. Shamir, I don't think there's anything here. I'm sorry. Let's check the German index. I know it says German 30, but basically it's the 40, so it's the same. If I look on the 4-hour and the daily on the German index, I'm not trading it. There is a very good chance to take out this high, so I would be looking for long entries. If I would be trading this, I would be looking for long entries on the short time frame, like a retracement to fair value gaps. For example, if you want to go long, this would be a good opportunity to go higher, but it's quite a distance still. Be careful because as you can see, look at this, it's coming on so strong, coming up so strong. Anytime we can see a very, very strong spike down. I would be very careful to go long here. I would be just wait. Oh, Naga, yeah, the gold. Let's see gold. Oh, look at Euro is gonna go. As I was mentioning gold. Oh wow, look at gold. Look at gold. Ooh, wow, wowie, wowie. And pound as well. Now this is gonna be interesting, guys. Let's look at gold for a quick second. All right, this is daily gold. As you can see, consolidation, nothing. What I'm interested is taking out this low and then go all the way up above 1983. But look at this bottom here on the daily. If I go down to the 4-hour, nothing. It's totally gibberish. Nothing. Right now, gold on the hourly took out buy side liquidity here. We could be in a bearish order block, but you know, it's like a very, very crazy order block. This one, we could be inside a bearish order block. I think some SMC traders would disagree that if this is an order block or not. Yeah, I get it, but the hourly took out buy side right now. Look at that. It took buy side beautifully. And there was also a fair value gap here. So buy side has been taken out on gold. If anyone is new here, guys, please drop a like. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. So gold, I might be looking for a short, but let's just go over to TradingView. Look at dollar index, still going lower. And let's look at pound. Let's look at gold. So as you can see, this is my gold chart. This is the hourly gold chart. I still believe, and I'm gonna say this all week, that we are going to revisit 1985 levels up there. When it's gonna happen, I have no idea. So far, we are in a descending channel, or trend line, or whatever you want to call it. So a short entry can happen. Of course. We can go down, take out this low. This zone is very interesting, where I mark these. This is the only... I don't know what the hell happened here. So we can easily go down again, take out some sell side. As you can see right here, there's some huge sell side down there. But since gold took out buy side, you know, we could be looking for possible entries. And this is gold on the 5 minute, this is gold on the 1 minute. Let's zoom out. We have a structure actually formed. Look at that, swept, liquidity swept. We have a structure with this. Where are the targets? Target could be here, right there. Sell side on gold. But first we need to break this candle right here. That long way. This is the 1 minute chart, so it's super risky, guys. It's like super mega risky trade if it breaks structure there. We have sell side down here, these dotted lines. So mega super risky. Extremely mega risk. I would be careful. Pound. I'm looking for pound. This is 1 hour fair value gap. We might want to delete that, right? Because it's disturbing. But it has been repriced, so or rebalanced, or I don't know what's the correct term, rebalanced or repriced. The repricing is different than rebalancing, I think, because repricing can be done by a single wick, and rebalancing means a totally up or down close candle in the range, right? So that's rebalancing. So it has been rebalanced. This has been rebalanced. So I'm looking for a structure break on pound as well. The only problem with the pound for me is that this bull flag, I hope that it's, even if it breaks structure, it's not going to do it with a full down close body, because then I have to make some difficult decisions. And this is gold again. I jumped into gold. Gold is going higher, which is cool. Awesome. Let's look at gold from a different perspective. Nothing. Buy side on gold is up there, 1966.96 on my charts. Nothing on gold, guys. I thought that it's gonna dip down, but it's not. Look at euro. If someone took this long entry, you guys could be sweating right now. If you are in profit, I would consider to close it. I don't like this price action. If you are in profit, bring it to break even or consider to close it. I just don't like how it's hovering around here. And this is the dollar index. I know it's not trading view, but still all right. We can see what we have to see. Dollar index not doing anything. Okay, so nothing so far. This is the hourly pound. Nothing. Waiting for structure breaks. Oh, whoa. Look at the euro. It's gonna take out 108, it seems like. I have a little bit of FOMO. Not too much, but a little bit. Just a healthy amount of FOMO by not entering properly. Actually not entering into this trade. But you have to consider, even if you missed a trade and you feel FOMO, I think we did a win here, because so far the analysis was correct. Even if you exited with some minimal profit, or if you are at break even, you know, that's the best. This is gonna take out 108, sorry, 00. It's just like I'm 90% sure, 95% sure that this is gonna take out 108. Unfortunately, the range for me was off by the time I synchronized my chart. There you go. 2 more pips and it's gonna be taken out. My TP would be right on 108 because we have a buy side at 108, 101. So you should be safe with 108 in this case. We have buy side at 108.01. Damn, too many numbers. Now this could be a nice structure break on the pound if it wants to break down, but it's in a conflicting interest with the euro. Have to be careful. Gold took out another level, edged higher. Okay. Nothing. Guys, nothing on gold. Maybe if it's going to form a structure on the 1 minute, we can eyeball it for a possible short entry. I'm not particularly in the favor of entering shorts this morning, especially after like in the kill zone, like all the movements, everything is bullish so far. So have to be careful with the shorts. Very careful. Have to be very careful with the short trades. Yeah. So we're waiting. We're waiting on everything. Euro, it just has to take out 108. Okay. Okay. We're waiting. By the way, this is the account. Let me refresh it for you. My Funded FX 25k account, which I bought for $100. Off stream, I was trying to do some trades, but got some losses. Made it back with the Nasdaq here. So we're basically at where we finished yesterday's stream. 0.6% profit on this. The target is $2,000. So let's see if we can make $100 profit from this account, right? Maximum total loss is 2,000. Maximum daily loss, everything is in place. Deposit, yeah. Maximum loss, okay, that's 23. Just wanted to make sure. I should start going for less pips, I think. I'm on 50 pips and I need 60 more TP. I'm not taking... you should be taking partials, man, I think. You should be taking some partials, but you know, it's your decision. You have to make that decision of what to do. It's absolutely on you, man. It's your decision. I mean, I think partial is definitely the best thing you can do in trading. You can go for lots of pips, you know, but make a decision at the first place when you reach a certain amount of target. Let it be in percentage or pip wise, and you should just take that partial profit. By the way, I know some of you guys were asking me. I have no idea how many pips I made in the past couple of months or weeks or whatever. I have absolutely zero idea how many pips I'm making. I don't really care. I know that there are streamers and traders who are journaling the pips of how many pips, but if you look at it risk management wise, does it really matter how many pips? I think it's not, because your positions are going to be different from each other all the time. The position size, depending on the money you risk, of course. If I always risk the same amount of money, around the same amount of money on every trade, the position size is going to be different all the time. So it's irrelevant how many pips you are making. You can make $1,000 with 5 pips and 50 pips as well. So I have absolutely zero idea how many pips I made in the past. I don't care about pips. But I know there are many traders who are trading with a significant lot size. So, for example, Sanjay, oh my god, the new regular. Drop a like, Sanjay. Thank you very much for being here, dude. Good morning. Have an awesome morning. I'm so happy for you guys, my regular visitors. I'm thrilled. I am. So I know some traders are actually trading always with the same lot size, with 5 lots, 2 lots every trade. But you know, what about if you have a move like a double range in a certain day? You have double the ADR, or the average directional range is double than the previous day, then you will most likely have much bigger moves. Are you still going to go with the same pip amount? Because if you're not, that's cool, but then it doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's irrelevant, but not that irrelevant if you always use same pips for stop loss or to analyze the trades after. I give you that. Good point, Armin. Good point, Armin. Good point. Absolutely, I give you that. If you have a strategy with the same amount of pips, stop loss wise, then it could be good to analyze the trades. It could definitely be relevant to your strategy. So yeah, I give you that. It's a good point. It's a good point. Look at gold. That's yesterday's high, by the way. So, you know, anything can happen. And as you can see, yesterday I was talking about this long wick candle right here. You guys can see it. This is a 15-minute candle. Hasn't been taken out. So, guys, anything can happen. You know, if gold wants to take out yesterday's high and aim for this long wick here, because it's still, you know, actually it was not yesterday, it was last week, it was on Friday. This long wick candle was on Friday. It's a good target, but well, I don't have any setup, Sanjay. I was talking about the possible long entry on euro. This is euro. There is buy side at 108.01. Hold on, sorry. I have to take this phone. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I was just having a quick phone call. So there is buy side on euro 108, but otherwise I don't really see anything. Dollar index is basically neutral. I mean, it's just standing still. Huh. Nothing. As I was mentioning this morning, I'm looking for a possible short entry on pound because we repriced everything, and on the higher time frame, to me, it seems like we could be in a market maker sell model on the daily and on the 4 hour. We made an intermediate high. So if I go down, I would be eager to enter a classic short entry if it would break this structure. This 1 hour fair value gap has been rebalanced, so but still the euro concerns me. As I said, if you're in this trade, put it to break even or close it down. But I think it should still tap into 108. So S&P nothing, Nasdaq nothing. It was crazy movement since yesterday on Nasdaq. I made a little scalp there on Nasdaq myself, but it was a crazy move. So we're waiting. I'm just jumping all around between these charts and waiting for the move. So far, pound news came out, which drove this higher, which is absolutely fine. Now I would be happy to see this one break down. So I'm just speechless right now. Don't really know what to tell you guys. We are waiting. We are waiting. It's the waiting game. This is what's trading all about. I think gold can try to go for buy side. There's really no setup here, so no setups. Again, if someone took this buy here, you put this to break even or close it down. I don't want you guys to suffer if it spikes down. I'm not going to enter it again because this price action concerns me. Although, again, I think it's gonna take out 108. Let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on for dollar index as well. If we want to take some shorts, the dollar index should be going higher. But sell side is so close on the dollar index. This is the dollar index, by the way. No movement so far. So I'm trying to comment on everything, but I don't see anything, guys. Nothing. Nothing here. Oh my god. I do have my lucky band with me. When I put this on, I'm gonna get lucky. We are going to get lucky. And I'm comfortable just by holding it. Do you have... Let's see. Nothing. Everything just stopped after the news. It's, again, it's like watching paint dry. Nowadays, I think you guys can agree that London session is a little bit boring. Is a little bit boring. Nothing to do. I'm just checking Bitcoin. I would definitely be careful to go long on any index futures. I mean, on S&P or Nasdaq. Let's check the German index, alright, just for fun. I'm not trading it, I'm just, you know, just for fun. This is the German index. Oh my god, I should use scale fix or something. Unable. There's buy side up there. Okay, we have, this is the 4-hour German index. We have some buy side. I don't know what to make of this. It took out sell side, went all the way back up. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly is very close. We have a liquidity void here. I know lots of voids are occur on the index futures. There's a liquidity void. Have to take care of that as well. Not too far from all-time high, or actually last significant high. So, oh wow, that's a significant top. Look at it, 1, almost 2. That's an equal high. If we go out to the oh wow, look at that. That's a very, very significant high. We are technically at all-time high on the German index. Sarvesh, oh my god, you deserve the applause as well. Guys, I love when regulars are coming to the stream. Sarvesh, good to see you. Drop a like, you know, that's the entry. Nothing is going on, Sarvesh. Actually, I'm looking for possible entries. I did my analysis on many of these. I mean, I'm still looking at pound, I'm looking at euro and gold. It's too much for me to watch for. By the way, I do have to lose one pair. Euro or gold, euro or pound. I do have to decide which one to lose. I'm still attached to them. On pound, I'm looking for a possible short entry on the 4-hour. I said it before. It has reprime. It could be in a possible market maker sell model on the higher time frame. We are in premium, so looking for some shorts. Euro, I still think that is going to take out 108.01 because there's buy side and it's a round number. If someone took this buy, I did not. You should be on break even or closed it already because price action is crazy. On gold, we are in nowhere basically. So there is sell side here and here, right here at the dotted line. I'm looking to jump into some nice sells if we can get one. This is actually could be a sell position. So let's just check it. All right, nothing major. Don't do anything. Okay, I have a sell position here, which has not been triggered yet on gold. Let's put a FIP here on gold. It has not been triggered because it did not go to optimal entry. But I do have a sell position on gold. It's a pending order. Yeah, I mean, we have some, I mean, for the buy side, we also have, okay, we are in a sell on gold. Entry is definitely, I think we got slipped. I think we got slipped. Not too much, but, you know, but we got slipped. Okay. Our entry should have been a little bit higher, but anyway. This is my gold entry. TP2 is down here. I only risking $100. I'm going to scale the risk a little bit higher. If it goes to stop loss, then the regular position size is going to be usually around $120 or $30. I'm in a sell on gold. We have a fair value gap. We have a structure break. Not the perfect one that I was looking for, but we do have sell side. We are in premium. I would like to see this go down. But again, if it goes up, so be it. We're fine. Yeah, as long as the slip is not like TFT, no problem. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Unfortunately, now that I'm considering this trade, I'm not too happy about that. But we do have sell side. It's looking good on the 1 hour. I mean, I would definitely like to see gold go back down on the 5-minute, take out some, I mean, reprice some imbalance. We are in premium. We have higher lows all the way down. We have a beautiful sell side here. Then again, gold is gold can do interesting moves. So let's see what happens. You know, let's see what happens. TFT is a bad company. They don't copy a single trade into the real markets. They won't be around in some years. I don't know what they're doing, honestly. I'm not going to. I'm not going to trust them. I am definitely not trusting them, and not because the slippage, by the way, guys. It's not because the slippage. As I said a few times before, I would understand the technical, quote unquote, technical slippage issue if they would have just said that, all right, we did some crazy stuff, sorry about that, we're gonna compensate you guys, or you know, it's our fault. But as I said, the thing that pulled my trigger is that they were saying these are normal market conditions and they are simulating market conditions. Like that's crazy. Hold on, I have to take a quick phone call again. Sorry, guys. Sorry guys, I'm here. Please drop a like if you can. So, let's see. Turn off your phone while streaming. Guys, I'm doing some side hustle. I need to make some money, you know. I'm not making enough money from trading. I'm not a huge Lambo guru, guys. Drop a like, guys, if you can, please. If you want to support the channel, please drop a like. So ultimately, they were forced to compensate. It was pathetic. I lost 1k due to slippage. My compensation was 300. Yeah, almost the same happened to me, but you know, don't like. Thank you, Naga. Thank you, Naga. And guys, so glad I see on my monitor. I see we have 12 viewers. Thank you so much. I think this is like an all-time high for me. I don't really know what to tell about TFT. Again, as I said, I would have had no major problem, if they would just admit that it was their fault. But by telling people that it's normal market conditions, I'm not trusting in them anymore. You need to take the Lambo lots. Yeah, maybe I do. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Unfortunately, this trade is gonna go crazy against me. Yeah, the FTMO account passed the challenge. The first phase, sorry, the first phase, phase 1, the 50k account. I'm trading the phase 2, but this is an absolutely new challenge. It's a my funded effects 25k challenge. Because I was thinking if I could make $1,000 from a $100 investment. So instead of trying to flip $100, I bought a 25k account for $100 because they were having a coupon for 50%. They were having a 50% coupon code on the weekend. KRK Trading, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you so much for being here, everyone. KRK. Jó reggelt, fellow Hungarian. So far, this trade I think is gonna take us out. I really don't like the movement. Pound, a euro, as I was saying, it's gonna take the 08. I was calling this entry. So yeah, 108 is gonna be taken out. Unfortunately, the gold trade doesn't really seem like it wants to work its way down. So I'm sorry if anyone of you guys took that. I only took it with a small position. FTMO doesn't have a coupon code. They are very strict with these rules. They don't have a coupon code. As far as I know, there is no coupon code for FTMO. But you can check it on the internet. I don't know if they have one. How has it been going with my funded FX? I haven't gotten very good reviews. For now, it's been alright. I mean, I do experience some slippage here and there, but it's the same slippage as you can get an FTMO at my Forex funds as well. But not as major as TFT was doing, so nothing like that. But so far, I mean, it's alright, I guess. I'm always using my bid and ask lines, you know, as you can see, just to see a little bit more of what's going on in spread. But so far, it's been with no major issues. I have a funded account at FTMO. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, my funded account is down almost 2% in the minus. So I had no profit split from that account. It's a 100k account, by the way, and I didn't really pull that much money out of it lately. I'm in the minus, so yeah, it is what it is. I'm trying to build up some capital here with these small challenge accounts. I have a new phase 1 pass at FTMO. But now this 25k, I thought that this 25k challenge would be good I mean, content-wise as well. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. Let's hope so. looking for some to build some capital, you know, and I would really like to prove that it's possible to build up some capital with small investments as well. And this 100 to 1000 challenge is good. Which prop firm is the best? Well, it's hard to tell. I don't think that there is a so-called best. There is maybe a top 3, top 5, which I would say top 3 includes FTMO, My Forex Funds, and I don't know, maybe the Fivers or Funded Next. I don't know. My Funded FX, which I'm trading right now, I don't know these guys. They are quite new. All the other funded companies are quite new as well. So the oldest ones are My Forex Funds and FTMO. These are the oldest ones. You could maximize gains. I risk 50 to 100 per trade and make at least 500 per trade with a great win rate. That's enough. Yeah, it's true. But then I would have to go with a 1 to 5 win rate or something. Funded Next is a scam? Really? Wow. I thought that they are honest because, you know, I thought that they're good. There were some people who were saying they are quite all right. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out from this trade, guys. I thought that they are good. I really thought so. We got stopped out, guys. We got stopped out. Yeah, it is what it is. No worries. Still in profit on this new account, as you can see, with only $55. But got stopped out. So yeah, that's it. Tried what we could. All right, this is a 25k account. I never really thought that Funded Next is a scam. I mean, I can read all the bad and good reviews on almost almost on every one of these prop firms. I can even read bad reviews on FTMO and my Forex Funds, you know. So hard to decide. That's why I'm saying the oldest ones like FTMO and my Forex Funds could be reliable. No major issues I heard about from them. Most companies have the same model. They are really good to YouTube influencers, and they make sure to allow some people to win so that they will have people giving positive reviews. The rest of the people are screwed. Well, I can imagine that. Yeah, I can imagine that. Maybe I should log this trade. This has happened at this has happened at 251. Yeah, it has happened at 251. Where's my stats page? Hold on, guys. Let me just journal it. All right, here's the stats. 250. What was it? Hold on, what was it? It was 251. Gold sell. London session. This is New York time, by the way. Gold sell. It was a classic FVG. Ended up with a stop loss. It was done 5 minute. I'm gonna add the chart. May was ended up at 10%. April 16%, March 12%, February 6%, January I was in hospital, ended up in 10%. So sorry for the gibberish chart, but I need to keep up with my journaling because I'm starting to get really lazy here. Let's go back and check what's gold doing. So far I think gold might going to spike up. Yeah, it looks like. Thunder Trader, Trading Plus are good. I had two, but they have trailing drawdown. I hate that. I hate trailing drawdown. That's not good. Although they do allow weekly withdrawals, that's a good thing. But trailing drawdown is not good. MFF and FTMO have real traders 100%, so they are the ones to go if you're planning on. Yeah, I agree, Armin. Also yesterday I heard an admin of my MFF saying that they are going to be around for a decade or something like. Oh wow, that's cool. That's cool. Good to hear that. All right, so buy side is yesterday's high. Could be changing directions here, guys. Could be changing directions here. Might be looking to go long maybe if it gets close to yesterday's high. Let's check the dollar index. Still basically doing nothing. Pound is doing nothing. The only thing that moves is gold, but I have to be careful on gold. Not jumping into anything, but I really thought that, you know, since taking out buy side by the Asia high session, it could just go down. Didn't really go. We had a structure break here. Well, only here, if we can consider that. We had some nice sell side liquidity, but so far that's it. Yeah. So that was it. Look at that. Gold wants to go higher. This is the 1 minute gold chart. Do you think buying GU at the M15 FVG would be a good idea? Well, you know, I don't know. The reason I don't know, I'm going to show you, is on the 4 hour. Let's check the 4 hour pound dollar. Look at this. We have a 4 hour. This is the 4 hour fair value gap here. Sorry, no. This is the 4 hour chart. This is the 4 hour fair value gap. It has been repriced. We have a 4 hour bearish order block as well. This is a daily imbalance that has been repriced yesterday. For me, it definitely looks like a market maker sell model that is about to form on the higher time frame. So I would be scared to go long on pound, since these higher time frames showing all these stuff to go short, you know, bearish order block, repriced fair value gaps. The only logical place to go for pound is down here, the downside. Lots of liquidity could be engineered. And if we go to the hourly, I mean, yeah, I would prefer to go short on pound if it gives us a proper entry. And this is the 15-minute chart on pound. Yeah, so I would be waiting for shorts for now. I'm definitely not gonna take any long trades. So no long trades on pound. Look at gold. It wants to go higher. Let's check again. Not this one. Yesterday's high on gold. Look at that. Look at that. This 15-minute candle, which I showed you guys yesterday, this right here, could be a magnet here. So would be tempting to take out yesterday's high, this line here. Yeah, I'll stay out from going long on pound. I mean, there's too much stuff going on the higher time frame. I have a feeling that even if it goes up, in 1 minute it can turn around and tank like crazy. It could just drop like a rock, and that would be it. So I'm just scared to go long on pound. On the higher time frame, as ICT says so as well, always rules. Higher time frame rules. So taking that into consideration, I'm definitely not looking to go long on pound, not for now at least. I was offside on gold. I was really thinking that it will take out this sell side here at the dotted line. I was only risking $100 here, so this is a 25k. We're still in a slight profit, not too much, but I think this move will help to scale up the regular trade size. So I'm gonna be trading around 0.5% for the initial balance, which would be $125-ish, maybe 130. And look at euro, it's struggling. We have buy side, by the way, at 108.01. I can show you guys the buy side. There, that candle right there. That candle that formed on the 24th of May. The high is 108.013. That's a buy side right there. This is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour euro dollar chart, and we have buy side from the 24th of May. So that's why I think we should see the euro at least to spike up and, you know, just poke into 108. But for pound, I am looking for a juicy short. A juicy short. It's a shame gold didn't really do what I wanted it to do. Look at euro. Crazy. I would be a little bit scared to go short on euro because it didn't take out this this level. I would be a little scared to go short. What do you think about the dollar Swiss? It is at a H4 order block. We can look at it. Just a second. Dollar Swiss. All right. Do I have dollar Swiss open? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so clean chart, dollar Swiss. This is the daily chart. Pretty much in consolidation. Tom, do you think that some pairs move better than others, like smoother and easier to predict? Yes, I definitely think that. For example, I don't like dollar Swiss, which that does not mean that. Okay, so order block wise, it could be considered as an order block on dollar Swiss. Technically, it took out these highs. I would be much happier if this candle here would close above these wicks. Yeah, so it can be an order block, but I always like if an order block actually makes a clear structure break with an up close candle. So this chart could be like a 1 minute chart or 5 minute, who cares? You know, I would like to see an order block close with an up close candle, not just with a wick. So maybe not the strongest 4-hour order block, but it could be. And you know, let's look at this here. Oh, that's not it. All right, almost. I think it's well, it's almost an order block. This is a nice order block. Change structure. This is not really. So yeah, I would be real cautious around this point at dollar Swiss. It's wow, it's, I don't even know what to put up with this. I just don't like how it looks like, so I would be not trading dollar Swiss if I was trading it. So let's get back to pound. Pound is showing nothing. Gold showing nothing. Euro shows nothing. Guys, we are back to no man's land. We are at no man's land again. Let's look at pound a little closer. It might want to go up again. This is a round number of 20. Oh wow, look at that. The high is 25.99.6. 25.99.6. Round number, guys. Round number. Round number. I don't like that. So pound has its reasons to spike higher, to take out maybe that round number yesterday high. Hard to say anything. The dollar index, this let's check the dollar index. The dollar index looks like it wants to take out yesterday's low, which gives us weaker forex pairs, weaker forex, I mean dollar wise. So yeah. Sorry. Oh, I have to update. Today we had a loss. Sorry about the loss, guys. But these are part of the game. So nothing. We are at no man's land, guys. Really. I wish I could tell you something else, but you know, I'm not going to force it. This freaking euro, this effing euro, look at that. Look at that. We were talking about this since the first spike here. How much time was that? Oh my god, almost 2 hours ago. 1 hour and 40 minutes ago we were talking about this. And it's crazy. Nothing, guys. This is the pound. I don't see anything on the pound. Euro should take out that effing 108 level. Looks like it will, as I was calling it. Should have taken the trade maybe. But the gold betrayed us. gold was I'm scared to go long on gold here, so not a clear movement. I mean, look at this. It's resistance. I just don't like it. I don't like it. I really thought, you know, it makes sense. These swing lows would have been such a nice targets, and we have this fair value gap here on the 5 minute. So I was preferring, and we were in premium, so I was preferring the short there, but I'm not saying we won't have another nice short entry on gold. But this is the 1 minute chart. So let's see. We're still in the kill zone. I secured my stop loss at $260. I have a bad feeling I went to... Nice, man. That's cool. That's cool. You secured it. No, that's not what I meant to do. Applause, of course, applause. That's what I meant to do. Dude, you're awesome. You are awesome. You should be fine. You should be fine, dude. Even if it takes you out. That's great. That's a great achievement, Armin. Congratulations. Oh, look at that. Euro finally took out that buy side. 108.02 right now. And edging higher. If someone stayed in this trade, you could have had a 1-to-1 risk reward right now. So congratulations if anyone took it. I did not, because I was a chicken and I was lazy and I was talking too much, and it already left my entry point, but it took it out. Now that euro made its move, it would be, I would be eager to see what the others will do. Okay, because dollar index spiked lower, so it took out sell side. Now we will see what's going to happen. In the middle of the kill zone, guys, and in the middle of the London session silver bullet time, guys, just saying, we are in the middle of the London session silver bullet time. We got our first official on-stream stop loss on this account, so we're scaling up our next trade to our regular trade size, which is going to be 0.5% account-wise on this one. So we're going to trade with $120, $130 trades after this. Oh, I don't like this long wick 1 minute candle. Okay, look at gold. Okay, gold is... Let's get back to gold here. Alright, nothing. No structure break on gold. This is the 1 minute gold. It was not a structure break because as you can see, no down close candle. No down close candle there, so... Good morning, Emmanuel. Oh, so good to see you guys. Applause to you too as well, because you're a regular visitor here. Yes, my friend. For anything right now, I think gold is gonna go up and take out that yesterday's buy side. This was not a clear structure break here. If anything, it was just a retracement. It would be great for a long, maybe. Doesn't really fit to my criteria. Otherwise, I would take it, but I'm just scared. What software are you using for live stream? I'm using Streamlabs OBS. I'm using Streamlabs OBS. Not regular OBS, but Streamlabs OBS. Emmanuel, drop a like, please. How are you? All right. Look at pound. It definitely is edging, but nothing so far. I think on gold there could be a draw on liquidity for up there, but so far, even if I put a fib here to this swing, my entry has not been met so far, even if I want to go long. So no trades there. No trades there, guys. Maybe I'm trying to justify an entry. I hope not. I don't like the way I'm talking right now. I do have my original targets up there, but yeah. In terms of price swing, I'm not forcing anything on gold, guys. I'm not forcing anything on gold. I'm just waiting. We are just waiting, guys. Now, finally, euro actually took out what it had to take out. I'm looking for a structure break, clear structure break on euro as well. especially because the dollar index also poked into sell side. So yeah. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Drop a like, and if you would like to support the stream, you can do so by visiting my Patreon page. Subscribe to my inner circle. It's a brand new thing which I started to do. I do need every support to keep myself in front of the screens because I am here lots of times, as you can see it on my live streams, trying to make a living from trading. I'm not there yet full time. I mean, I'm doing this full time, but I need to increase my capital, and that's why I started to build up this stream as well. So thanks again for the likes and everything. All right, so far the euro is not doing anything. Gold, let's look at gold. And if gold would just do a nice break, a strong down close candle on the 1 minute, for example, this is the 1 minute, I would say it would be great, but it's not gonna do it. Yeah, exactly. Alternative suggestion, move to a cheaper country. I was thinking about that. Believe it or not, I was thinking about that. Because there are some good opportunities, some good countries where you can live cheaper. I was looking at that actually. You will get there, bro. Also, keep the streams if you can. It's chill to be here with... Oh, alright, man. I'll try to. Well, you know, that's why I'm doing it. Pending dollar news during the New York session scare me, to be honest. I feel like today is not the best day to trade. Well, you could be right, Emmanuel. Yeah. Thank you again, Armin. I was thinking of moving to Bulgaria, 10% tax only and really cheap. Yes, I heard about that too. Bulgaria is cheap in terms of living, and whatever else you heard, it's a great country, I think. Euro is back up again, just as everything else. You know, everything you have to be aware of is, do you want to leave your friends and family in your current location or not? I don't really have like family and friends, and my closest social circle is really small, so I don't have a kid yet. So I think I still have the ability to move. So we'll see, I guess. We'll see. We will see. We will see. I'm just jumping all around. No entry points. And let's check dollar index again. Nothing. Somehow I have the feeling, because it's just that the dollar index could go down and take out this sell side, right? That's the next step for it to go. And if it happens, then we're gonna see. Let's check the euro on TradingView. What do we see on the euro? We took out buy side here. Next buy side is at 0831 on the euro. 0831. The bad thing is the language. I don't speak Bulgarian or Russian. Well, yeah, but you know, you can learn. You can learn. Okay, last week high has been taken already. This is yesterday high. Pound is going higher. Gold doesn't really know what to do here. Euro taken. Okay, still nothing, guys. Just checking. Dollar index. Interesting. This is dollar index on this chart, and this feed is coming from TVC. Wow. Let's add another dollar index. That's 8 cap dollar index. What else we have? United Arab Emirates. If you live outside Dubai, the rent is not too high and food is cheap. Also, no income tax. Yeah, heard about that too. That's delayed. Okay, now this dollar index looks much more familiar. This is from 8 cap. Let's move this higher. Okay, so we have 2 different dollar indexes. This dollar index took out sell side. The other one did not. This one did not took it out, but this did. Interesting. Very interesting. All right. Pound going higher. This is the hourly pound. Gold. Nothing. Euro also higher. Pound, euro, and gold. Let's go back to 1 minute just to check if we have a clear structure break. If we have a clear structure break, that would be nice. Out of coffee. Out of coffee. I can't stand their culture. You know, depends. I mean, yeah. What I always wanted to go is maybe to live as well, is to Mexico. Maybe Mexico, you know. Because sooner or later we are going to eat the bugs, you know. Great Reset is coming, so we're going to eat the bugs. So I might have to move to Mexico and be an anarchist. I'm already am, so, but I don't want to talk about it because I'm gonna get a strike from YouTube. They're banning everyone who talks about this. Oh, gold, look at gold. Gold is really undecisive right now. Euro. To be honest, United Arab Emirates isn't so culturally heavy. Like, you can pretty much live your own way. Well, I heard about that too. Also, they are creating more taxes because it isn't sustainable. In any case, I will move to a country called Andorra. It's in between Spain and France. 10% tax and high quality living. Really, Andorra? Wow. Only bad thing is that you need to build a 50k capital business to be there. That's that. I mean, 50k business. Yeah, I mean, not undoable, you know. It's not the end of the world money if you are doing any kind of business. So it might be an option, you know. Why not? Look at gold. Oh my god, gold wants to go higher. What's the range here? 21. I'm not entering, I'm just checking the range. 20. Interesting. Interesting. As I said, I was looking at Mexico, Puerto Vallarta. Look at Euro. Wow. What the hell is Euro doing? We are in a resistance. Yeah, it's not that much money, but you will need like 70, 50, yeah, at least to live there. Rent is like in any big European capital, but groceries are cheaper. Yeah, if you consider every cost of living, including the 50k business, you have to go with at least 80k. Even if you would be able to start there without a business, moving to a new country, you would need at least, to a cheap country I might say, you would need at least 30k. At least. That's the, you know, you have to have like 6 months or 8 or 10 months of safety money, you know, as a cushion. Even if you don't do anything, you should have a backup for at least 6 months, minimum 6 months. That should be the minimum range of 6 months. So you need 30k to go to live anywhere in those cheap countries. And you know what? I was also considering, listen to this guys, not just Mexico, I was considering South Africa, Cape Town actually. The rent at Cape Town, I was checking the rent prices, it's pretty good. Food is also, I mean, I'm not saying super cheap, but it's cheap. People are speaking English. Everybody is speaking English in South Africa. People are friendly. I heard the criminalistics are not all that bad, so it's considered to be quite safe. The climate is good. So yeah, I was thinking on Cape Town actually. South Africa, Cape Town, in the outer, not in the on the worst sides of the city, but you know, not in the center, but a little bit of the outer perimeters of the city. India is great if you're going to be a fund trader. Tax only 10%. You can get a good place on rent in the suburbs for 200. Food is very cheap, 100 a month to eat like a king. Yes, I heard about that. By the way, I know someone personally who goes to India all the time, and he says, I just cannot imagine how cheap living is in India. If you have a few $100s for a month, you can live like a king. In India, from a few $100s, he said you can be like a king. You live in Cape Town? Dude, Peter. Oh my god, Peter, you live in Cape Town? Awesome, man. I love Cape Town. I mean, never been there. I was watching. This is awesome, dude. I was watching a few pictures and videos and YouTube videos about Cape Town. I also was talking to a streamer who is from Cape Town. Now we had a structure break on the 1 minute on gold. Do we want to force this trade or not? I'm not going to force it. I'm not forcing this trade. That's awesome, dude. I think as much as I saw on the videos and on the pictures, Cape Town, for me, it looks great. The only bad thing about those countries is that they aren't offering that much quality of living, safety, Western culture, yeah. It's cheap, but I prefer to go to Andorra or Bulgaria. 10% anyway, yeah. Bulgaria, yeah. I heard so many good things about Bulgaria. So we have a fair value gap on gold here. Some minor structure break. I don't really like this entry. Fair value gap is there. I don't know. I think I would, because we have a down close candle here. Let's check it anyways, all right? Let's check it. It's not too far. $120. Am I forcing it right now? I think I am. I think I'm forcing this trade too much. Just checking. I have a pending order on gold, by the way. I think I am forcing this. Maybe I should not force it. I'm not forcing it. I don't want to force it. I don't want to force this trade. The entry is not that clear. I mean, we do have the fair value gap. We have a structure break on the 1 minute. I'm not satisfied with the structure that much. Optimal trade entry is still intact. Yeah, I'm scrapping it. I'm turning off the pending entry. I don't like it. So yeah, what did you guys write? If someone is new here by the stream, thank you so much for being here. Can you please drop a like? Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, all right. So the only bad thing, yeah, United Arab Emirates is the safest in the world, bro. You can walk around at 3 a.m. at night in Dubai and no one bothers you. In North Korea, you can do that too. In North Korea, and if you are in downtown Dubai, it's basically like being in a western city, but a lot hotter. Wow. I heard so many good things about Dubai. But I agree that sooner or later, I think they're going to put some tax in there to the system. They need to bring taxes, you know. It's not going to be sustainable for a long time without taxes, you know. No clear entry for me on gold. On the 5 minute, I would not consider this as a structure break. Let's look at the low. The low of this candle is 63.75, 64, 60, 76, 70, 83. Yeah, it's not a clear structure break. No, I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I was just watching it for a possible entry. But it's actually it's not good. It's not looking good. Oops, sorry. It's not looking good, so I'm not selling. I'm definitely not selling gold. Optimal trade entry is still there, so that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. It's around the 60-ish% level, but it couldn't be on the 1 minute. It could be considered as a down close candle structure break. I don't know if I would enter. I don't know. It's scary a little bit for me. If price would go up from here to that area, you know, because we have some sell side here, right here, which is great. So maybe if price would sharply go back here, not slowly but sharply, then I might be considering to go short, but it's the last place, you know. I've been looking at Mauritius, one of the 20 safest countries, low tax. Oh, maybe 1 hour flip. Yeah. Yeah, maybe 1 hour flip there. What is the rent like in Mauritius? That's a good question. What's the rent like in Mauritius? I just exited my trade. Very, very good. 400 there. Congratulations, Armin. On a 5-1. I'm already up 1,000 on 7 trading days. Oh man. Oh man. You did completed that. You completed the 100 to 1,000. But hey, you were risking. Yeah, well, technically you did. But my my challenge is slightly different, you know, because I mean, I did not want to flip this amount of money. I just put it to a challenge account. But yeah, it's a nice trade, dude. Very nice. Congratulations there. Congratulations. It's very nice, Armin. So we are still in the London session, silver bullet time. Guys, if someone is new, could you guys please drop a like? I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. That helps the channel to grow. And if you want to support me, just check my Patreon at Pip Ninja. Or you can support the stream as well. There's some links below. Okay. No clear structure break. The only fair value gap on gold on 1 minute is up here. Looking for that short entry, but yeah. Looking for the short entry, but did not happen yet. Bitcoin is basically stuck. S&P dollar index went a little bit lower. This is the dollar index. No signs of reversal on the dollar index. Look at the German index. Oh my god, it's so close to that all-time high. Not trading it, don't worry. So again, we might consider to go short on gold on that particular fair value gap there. Maybe we have some nice sell side here. Let's check again. Pending order 1964. Let's check it again. Let's put it there. That would be our entry. If I would go short. And TP1 should be right at that sell side. TP2 should be way down below. Okay, so that's only for now. Let's just wait. I have a pending order which might be considered to be scrapped. That's gonna be my second entry. If it puts me out, then I was definitely on the wrong side here. So that puts us in overall risk of 1% for the account for today. Okay, looks like gold just wants to leave the station without us, guys. Maybe not, who knows? Okay, now we could be having a structure break on euro, but we're not. Let's look at this. This was, the low was 07985. The low was 07983. So no. The close, oh, it technically closed on the low of this swing. Could it be considered as a structure break? Now the pound definitely looks like to be considered as a structure break. Let's go back to pound, shall we? All right. Oh, come on. I don't like it. It's going to close this gap down. This is the 1 minute pound. There's a small fair value gap there. Small fair value gap there, guys. We have a range. All right, we're gonna scrap that one. We have a range there. All right, let's scratch this trade. I'm going to scratch this one. Let's check pound again on the 1 minute. Technically it did a structure break with a fair value gap. Very small fair value gap, so tight entry there. Just below the 50% level. I might be jumping into this. Actually I do have a pending order in that fair value gap. A little bit dangerous entry point there. In that gap. But we'll see. Where is sell side? 25. Sell side is right there. Let's see. We have some good sell side in this 5 minute imbalance. News, actually it was made up by news. Only problem is that long wick candle up there. That's my only concern. So let's see if we get an entry or not. We are risking 0.5% on this one. Okay, this entry on gold is scrapped. And I think we had an entry on euro. Not sure though. I think we did. I think we had an entry on euro. Did we? Or didn't we? I think we did. Maybe not the most optimal, but not that optimal. But there was an entry there. Let's see if the pound wants to take this for a ride or not. If not, it's fine. It's not the most perfect entries anyways. But there was a fair value gap on the 1 minute on the euro. My only problem is that it wasn't that clear of a structure break. It closed right on the tick. I would like to see dollar index to go stronger if it takes this pending order. Seems like it's not going to take it. For now. Doesn't seem like it wants to take it. Yeah. Going lower on the 1 minute. Gold is going lower. No entries yet, so this entry right there, I think we're done with that. This one is still valid because it's at around the equilibrium level. On euro, I like the pound trade much better. and target wise as well. So we'll see if it wants to go back down. That's our only structure break. I mean, sorry, yeah. Should go up, enter, and structure break again. Where is our stop? Our stop is above there. 8 pips. 8.2 pips actually. 8.3. Okay. Now as soon as we tap into that fair value gap, we are in the trade. A little bit scary. Not gonna lie. A little bit scary entry. Almost. Oh, we tapped into that. Oh, we're in the trade. All right. So we are in the trade on we are in the trade on the pound. Yeah, TP2 is down there. Stop loss is up there. We are in our second trade for the day. I'm a little bit scared. TP2 is down there. I guess we'll see. Partials are gonna be taken. I was waiting for a setup like this. I'm hoping that we will get to at least TP1. Right? So far that's it. So we are just waiting. Euro went into there as well, but I just like the targets much better on the pound. Gold is going lower too. If the dollar index wants to retest some highs, that would help us a lot, right? So let's hope for the best. All we need is 8.3 pips, I think, to go partial. Something like that. I don't even know. Let's check it. I don't know. I don't know how many pips we need. I think we need 8.7 pips to go with TP1. 56, 7. That's gonna be our first partial there. Hopefully we will get there. Let's hope. For now we're just waiting. Gold, I enter new position looking at 1 hour flip. Wish me good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I always struggle to take trades after I have already made a good profit for the day. I have the same feeling as well, Sarvesh. No matter how good the setup is, I just can't pull the trigger. Do you have any advice? I have the same problem too. So if I had some really good profit for the day and I see the perfect entry, I do feel the same. I feel like, oh man, should I risk it? Should I give it all back? What should I do? And honestly, I always think about what Mark Douglas said, and you know, you just have to think about your edge. You have to accept that you have an edge, and if you see the perfect trade entry, you might have a loss there, but you know, overall, if you always take the same entry, you should be out profitable. So it's hard to say, you know, it's hard to say. I advise you to leave it for the day if you made a good profit. That's what I'm doing right now. So you come next day with a normal mindset. That's a good advice, by the way, by Armin. I was thinking to say the same. If you have a really good profit for the day, I think another option for you to just leave it. You know, because setups are going to come all the time. Maybe you should just leave it. You should just leave it, you know. Man, I don't like this. It also did a new structure break here on the 1 minute. I just don't like this trade, guys. It was looking so good. Now it's looking not that good. This is euro, almost the same. Gold took out sell side. I don't feel comfortable here, guys. We are at the midnight opening level. You know, I don't feel that comfortable right now. The way it looks on the 5 minute. No. On the hourly, it would be great for it to retest, you know, this imbalance. So why not, right? It should have a momentum to drive it down a little bit further. But I don't really like the way it looks like. Tapped into a little bit of hourly liquidity. But alright, we have the new 5 minute candle. So far, it doesn't look that good. I would love to see that go lower. At least to take out TP1, right? That's the level for TP1. I have to go out for a drink and I'll be right back, alright? Okay, I'm back. So, what's happening? Let's check on gold again. Took out sell side a little bit there. Let's check on the dollar index. Doesn't really look like it wants to move that much, but we're still in the pound trade. All I needed is to go down to that level right there. A little bit of sell side there as well. Yeah, that's why I just stopped trading. Yeah, if I made a good profit. What strategy to use for a fight? Yeah, that's interesting. What I always ask people if someone is using more than 1 to 3 strategy. What is your strategy? I will trade one pair, your NZD, and my strategy is basically doing 50, 100. pips trade with little lot size and good entries. I'm self-taught, so I don't know how to call it to my strategy. Just basic support and resistance. Very good. Congratulations, you know. That's very nice. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. That's very awesome. Oh, look at gold. I don't want to jinx it, but almost like a nice 1 minute long entry on gold. Took out some sell side here at the midnight level. Almost looks like a good long entry. Almost. Let's check it. A little bit further. I'm not entering, I'm just examining it closer. Do we have a fair value gap here? Here we have one. Candle is going to close real soon. Wow, do we want to go aggressive? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This is technically a valid entry, by the way, just saying. Should I enter? Should I not? That's a valid entry on the 1 minute, guys. On gold. That's a valid long entry. Took out sell side. Did a structure break. My entry is off. Alright, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. That's too many risk for 1 day, by the way. Just saying. That's just too many risk. I'm in the trade, entered manually. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. It's conflicting with the pound. I know that. I know that. But my overall bias is bullish on gold anyway, so my long-term... Alright, we took partials on pound. We took partials on pound. That was the alert for pound, which is good. There it is. Partial profit has been made on pound. We have a free trade on pound. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is pound. We have a TP2. So we made a partial on a pound. We need the applause. So we are having a free trade on pound. Headed for TP2 if it gets there. If it turns around, that's cool because we are free on that trade. And we have the gold. Overall, I'm gonna show you my gold analysis. This is my 1 hour analysis. That's why I think gold is or should be bullish. We have this long wick candle here as well, and we have lots of buy side engineered up there. So yeah, I'm just bullish on gold overall. That's my higher time frame analysis. On the short term, we can still go down, take out sell side. I just couldn't resist. I'm
sorry. I couldn't resist.
And since we are risk-free on pound, I don't really care about the pound trade anymore. All I care is gold. One possible issue on the gold trade is the dollar index. It took out sell side and rejected strongly. Yeah, dollar index. Look at that. I agree. Maybe I should lower my risk by closing partials on gold. Let's check the we're still far away from those partial levels. That would be at 63.82. What is 63.82? 82 would be up here, all the way up here. That's too far away. That's just too far away. I would have taken the gold trade, the gold too, but I've already made 2% in the morning on AU, so afraid to take any more. I agree. I mean, don't worry about that, dude. But it taken out sell side. It had, I don't want to justify it too much, but sell side has been taken here pretty much. I mean, not just enough to go higher, sell side been taken. Fair value gap, not the biggest one, but enough, to go long. Structure break happened here and here as well. Up close candle. We have targets up here, fair value gaps, buy side liquidity on the higher time frames. The momentum with gold is so far since yesterday, if I look at the higher time frame, is pretty much bullish if we look at the 1 hour. And we have this long wick candle on the 1 hour that it's a possible wick fill scenario as well. So it's only on the 1 hour. So we have technical chance for gold to go higher a little bit, right? So yeah, let me just check it. 63.82, 63.82, 63.82, 92, 63.8, 63.94. I'm just gonna put an alert up there where partials would be, and look at the euro as well. It's just seems like it's going higher. If we would have entered on the euro trade, we would be in trouble. Most likely the pound can get against us as well. What is your spread on gold? It's like 15 pips for me. Spread on gold. Well, 63.09, 0.17. It's about 10-12 pips ish. Around 10 to 12 pips. Don't like it, man. I don't like what's happening on gold. Should be closing it. Alright, it's too late, guys. Damn it. Damn it. Is it going to trick us? very bad, very bad, very bad. Considering to close it, guys. I'm considering to close this one. Very, very, very bad price action for me here. It's going to betray us big time. I'm afraid so. Have to close it, I guess. Yeah, unfortunate, unfortunate. What gold is doing. It was a nice entry, but now it's back down again, and I just don't like what it did. Damn it. Doesn't really want to move higher, does it? Yeah, the problem is the 15-minute shows a nice short entry, potential entry. I might be offside again. I just don't understand, you know. I don't know. My healthy effects. Yes, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Really hard to scalp. Yes, it's really. Actually, this wasn't meant to be a scalp trade. This was meant to be an overall based on my 1 hour bias, this trade. But, you know, doesn't look good. Oh, and my Forex funds DEX has 0 spreads. That's very good. That's very good. Good to know. That's good to know. I have too many risk right now. Ugh. And I've lost the trade already. Oh, we have a win as well. We have at least one win. There. Damn it. I was really hoping that gold will spike back up since, you know, it still has that possibility of a wick fill. It has lots of buy side liquidity from yesterday. I was hoping for that. I was really hoping for that. Wants to take us out, seems like. DEX is great on fibers too, but it moves too fast. I have blown far too much money on it trying to trade. Yeah. By the way, I heard good things about fibers. I heard they are so-called honest and reliable. I mean, not that famous as the other ones, but they are also here since a while. So I heard good things about fibers. Just wonder if they are considerable or not. Oh, damn it, this gold trade. Have to cut it, I guess. Unfortunate. What's euro doing? Pound is doing nothing major. Gold is not doing anything there. Seems like I'm pretty much offside here. Yeah. All right. I think that's it for gold. Should I wait for final stop loss or should I just cut it right now? I think I should just cut it right now. I think I should. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. No, actually, I'm gonna go through with the full stop, just in case, you know. I'm gonna own it. It feels bad, man, because my higher time frame bias is still bullish. 5 hours was the first prop firm ever I saw to oh, been around a long time. Yeah, as of now it's been good. Support is great, trading conditions are the best. All right, because you know, I was just watching their website and some people were saying the same, like they're quite all right. Rules are really good too. Unlimited time. Okay. That's good. Alright. Gold is over. Guys. This gold trade is unfortunately over. Deleting my alert there. Unfortunate. Really unfortunate. The problem is that we have a down close candle below the fair value gap, so it is most likely gonna get, I mean, yeah, that's the problem. It's bouncing off the 200 EMA on M1, might recover. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Doesn't look good. Let's check the 5 minute. You know, the 5 minute would be also good for a long entry if it would sharply break higher. I would say that, you know, if someone is strictly trading on the 5 minute, this could be a possible long setup if it would go up. But so far, I don't have any hopes for that to happen. Actually, prop firms make a lot of sense. It's like hiring good traders basically and making money off new traders who fail. Yeah, it's a good business model. I agree. It's a very good business model. One of the best business models, I guess. One of the best. That's why I think they will be regulated at some point. Yeah, if prop firm are genuine and are run well, they can be great. Yes, yes, yes. Actually, they do have to take care of their risk as well. On the 1 minute, guys, it looks terrible. This gold. It's terrible. I could cry on this. No, that's how terrible it looks like. Let's look at the dollar index. Yeah. Sell side is down there still, but gold is tricky right now. Sometimes it can make a beautiful move, but right now it's just very, very, very tricky. I should consider exiting. What about the pound trade? What's happening? Pound is gonna end up with a break even. Let's just put the stop to a little bit to profit, right? Just to cover some commission. Just a little bit of commission, not too much. A little bit of commission there. We are out from pound. The TP2 ended up at break even. Left with gold. Don't know what to do, guys. What the hell is this music? And I don't know what to do. Honestly, I have no idea what to do here. What would you guys do? You should help me in the decision making. Should I close it? Should I leave it? I'm totally indecisive right now. My original analysis is bullish, so I think that's the answer. My original analysis is bullish. Wait for a breakout from that range first. Okay. Should I close this as the way it is around break even? I can still exit around break even, guys. Don't worry, I have a plan. And the plan is to stick to your analysis. So far, that's my only plan. I'd say on the higher time frames we have more things to go with, if I can use that word. So if someone is trading on the 5-minute, and this is the 5-minute chart on gold, there might be a good opportunity to go long on the 5-minute after, if it breaks out from this, breaks the previous candle high. Break even is good. I feel like the M15 FVG will be filled. M15 FVG. Hard decisions, right? it would not take too long to go to TP1 for this. It's now breaking the previous swing high. And on the hourly, if you check the hourly chart, we are still on the way for a wick fill. And yesterday we still have that which one was it? No, it was not yesterday. It was from Friday. That long wick 15-minute candle right there on the left side. I mean, it could be all right, hopefully. I don't know. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. As a possible scenario. What's my TP1 level on gold? 63.82. We don't really need too much. We don't. What? It was not. It's not. What the hell? I didn't do anything. My alerts are going crazy. So we have a fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Can act as a kind of support. Back to break even again. Oh no. Oh no. For now, we're just gonna hold it. We're gonna hold it for now. I know it's not that exciting to watch. The pound is still going up. Euro on the 1 minute still looking to go up. So let's hope for the best. For gold, yeah. It's the waiting game, guys. London kill zone is almost over. So let's wait. We don't really need too much to take partials. We're still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Just waiting for that partial, you know. If we get the partial, then we should be safe. I have to be patient. And we just have to accept the outcome. I don't know what's happening, guys. When I'm taking partials, there you go. I took some partials. The EA didn't work as it should have. I mean, it did work now, but anyway. The EA screwed it up. I hate this EA. Oh, it's still working, but it closed down more than it should have. We closed down. We closed down. We just closed down a gold trade. Hey there, Cuckoo. Thank you, brother, for being here. What's my confluency on that entry? I'm gonna explain it in just a second. We took partials on gold trade. And let's just give me a second, Cuckoo, and I'll be explaining. The risk was 120 times 65%, around $80, including commission. So TP2 is up there. Let's go down and talk about why we entered that trade. Okay, so the entry was well, okay, not this chart, this chart. All right, so the entry was based on Yeah, it's no problem, Cookie. I just finished. I just made some calculations. So, can you drop a like, please? Thank you. New sub here. Oh, cool. Oh man, Cuckoo. I thank you so much. You deserve the extra applause there. New sub, guys, to the channel. Welcome, Cuckoo. Thank you for being part of this great community. And it's good to have you here. We have 2 winners, by the way, for today. Okay, so the reason why I took this trade is technically not that overcomplicated. On the 5-minute, so let's strictly go down to the 5-minute. This is the 5-minute gold. We had the swing low here, right here. I know it's MetaTrader. I know you guys don't like it, but I think you can follow. This is a swing low here. This dotted line, as you can see, gold took out this intermediate swing low. This was an intermediate swing low here, and gold actually took it out here, right there. And what happened after that? If we go down to the 1-minute chart, let's go down to the 1-minute chart, and I think you will see it better. On the 1-minute chart, we had the fair value gap right here. This fair value gap right there. Not too big. It's actually very small, very small fair value gap there. As you can see, my entry was here. My entry was off because I was talking again too much. My entry should have been a little bit lower, around here. But anyways, I entered the long. We had a structure break. Technically, what was that? Damn it! Sorry. Again, this, I know it's not straight. Let me just, I can do it. Okay. So we had the structure break here. Right there. Sorry. I know MetaTrader, it's much more difficult to use. So structure break there, and also, oh, sorry. Damn it. I hope you guys are not busy. And we had a small structure break right there as well. Not the straight line, but this was much better, this lower. It left a fair value gap. And if I put a fib here with a 50% swing, as you can see, we technically almost have an optimal, come on, an optimal trade entry. Dude, that's it. We almost have an optimal trade entry here, right above equilibrium. So right above here. That is why I entered here. I was getting sweaty a little bit here, right here, because it almost took us out. My stop loss was here, somewhere around here. So I was sweating a little bit there. But you know, you can see why I entered here. That was my initial entry. The 1-minute entries are always a little bit crazy, but it turned out good, fortunately. So that was my logic for entering this trade. Yeah. That was my entry logic. So we are already TP1. I can... Oh, I should journal it, by the way. I didn't journal the pound trade, nor the last gold trade. So stream-wise, we should be around break-even. Oh, no problem, no problem. You're welcome, Cuckoo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here on the stream. So that would be at 9:59 a.m. New York time. Oh, sorry. That's 2:59. 2:59. 2:59 a.m. That's New York time. 2:59. London session short. FVG on. It was It was only a TP1. Was it made on the 1 minute? It was on the 1 minute. It was alright. I'm going to add the chart later. And we had a long entry at 4:11. That was actually 3:59, not 2. 4:11. No, don't worry about that. It was almost a stop loss, dude. It was almost a stop loss. So by FVG, we already have a TP1, 1 minute. Yeah. If we reach TP2, stream-wise, we should be at break even. All right. So last month we ended up 10% in May. If we reach TP2 on this one, we should be around break even. I have to search for my charts. I'm missing a lot of charts here. I have to do my screenshots later on. Definitely. But overall, by the way, on gold, Cuckoo, thank you. Don't worry about that. I mean, you will have more entries. Technically, this is the 1 hour gold analysis for me. So this is what I think of gold. Lots of liquidity is engineered up there above 1985. So that's a higher time frame analysis. And if I go down to the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, we have a long wick candle here, which is actually, I think it's a level that has to be taken out. It's like a magnet. So for now, after reaching this level, I'm very much confident that this is gonna be taken out, this TP. Actually, I'm also considering to higher my TP2 just a little bit. I have 2 reasons. One reason is that I want to keep up with my risk management, and if I work with 1 to 1.4 RR, then $120. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Come on. That's $168. So if I made 82 minus 82, I still need $86 on TP2, right? So $86, it's fine actually. Right, our TP2 is at place. I'm pretty much confident that we're gonna reach TP2. We should be reaching TP2. All right, so far the account, we're started at 25k. The target is 27k on this account. We have no time limit, so that's why I'm going to use this for my streams. We are up a little bit over 1%. No, actually not. If we are counting this trade, then we are up, but it's still not finished. Otherwise, these are my trades for the account. Yesterday I was scalping a little bit. I was an idiot, and this is my morning gold loss, $96. It is what it is, but you know, I don't think, thank you very much, Armin, I don't think that I'm risking too much. I don't think I want to keep my risk below 1% per trade. So, and this is actually 0.5% risk on most of these trades. So I really want to keep up with this. The goal is to make $1,000 cash from $1,000 deposit. 1,000. Come on, guys. I'm sorry. I can't. I just can't speak. I can't speak. Yeah, I know. I can't speak. We have to make $1,000 from $100. This is the challenge. I do seem to be happy now, but it's not always happy days in trading, so it's not always happy days. We are exiting. Do subscribe to the channel, by the way, if you want to follow the challenge. I do think that we're not going to be taking more trades in London session. It's pretty much over for London. So, guys, I think this is it. If somebody's new on the stream, please drop a like and sub to the channel. Today we did good. Today we ended up slightly in a profit. We still have a runner. The account is almost up 1%. We are risking 0.5%. Yesterday we were up 0.6. Hopefully we'll end up the day as well. This is the challenge. Check out my video which I uploaded on Sunday. This is the $100 to $1,000 challenge. You know, sub to the channel, visit my Patreon site. It's at pip.ninja. I would accept support because I do need that. My schedule is basically on the kill zones for New York and London, or London and New York. Basically from 2 a.m. New York time to 5 a.m. New York time, and then 7 a.m. New York time to 10 or 11 a.m. New York time. So before London Open, about an hour, and before New York Open, about an hour. That's I try to be here full time. So guys, I would appreciate every support. I'm not a Lambo guru, so if you want to donate to the stream, I would appreciate it, because I need to make a living somehow. I'm honest, guys. I'm honest. I only have a small side business and I'm trying to stay on my feet. All right. Thank you so much. Does FTMO have some type of VIP program? I don't know about that. I really don't know. No problem there, Cuckoo. I don't know if they have a VIP program. Maybe they have. I don't know. I'm not an affiliate to any prop firm or something like that. Like in MFF, you can get to VIP and you get 90%. And maybe they have a scale program. You know, you can upscale your account and you can get 90%. I'm a Lambo guru, right? Yeah. Guys, I have bills to pay, and honestly, I'm struggling nowadays because I have a funded account which is down in the minus, more than 2%, and I'm struggling with it. Somehow the law of Murphy always goes against me, and right now my other income is basically on a standby. So believe me, trust me, I try to make a constant living from this, but it's hard because I'm doing my time here on the stream, but I want to do it because I do want to build up a community. So I really appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate the likes. It helped me through this journey, and that's why I say my Patreon site is for supporters, but I do accept donations on my PayPal link down there. Thank you so much for everybody. I'm not yet. I'm not yet, but I will. Actually, I'm a BMW enthusiast, so I'm a BMW enthusiast. My favorite is the 8 series. That's it. 850 or M8, whatever. Has to be gasoline, petrol, you know. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna cut the stream. I'm not gonna babysit this one. Whatever happens with gold, this is a free trade on gold from now. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to come back on the New York stream. I have to say, I'm not 100% sure that I'm gonna be here on the New York stream today. I try to be here, but you know, let's see. Thank you so much again. See you guys later or tomorrow. Thank you again for the support. Drop a like. See you guys. All right. Thanks again.